Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to the Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, solve the inside round brackets. Now 12 plus 3, this is the first most round brackets parenthesis equals to 15, and now the current expression becomes 100 divided by square bracket 2 multiplied by curly bracket 30 minus 15 curly bracket of square bracket of plus 8. According to this step 1, Bodmas says we must always start with the innermost grouping symbols first to simplify the core components of the problem. Now the second step, solve the inside curly brackets. As you can see here, 30 minus 15 is equals to 15. So now the current expression becomes 100 divided by square bracket 2 multiplied by 15 and then plus 8. So this step 2, once the innermost bracket are gone, we move to the next level of grouping, curly brackets, to further reduce the complexity. Now move to the step 3, solve the inside square brackets. Now solve 2 multiplied by 15 is equals to 30, and now the current expression becomes 100 divided by 30 plus 8. So now according to this step 3, they complete the B bracket part of Bodmas, leaving us with a simple linear equation. Now step 4, perform division. Now perform divided. 100 divided by 30 is equals to 10 upon 3, or you can write it down in decimal 3.33 and so on. So expression becomes 3.33 plus 8. Now to this step 4, after the brackets are clear, division and multiplication take the priority over the addition and subtraction. So now the fifth last step, finally we perform addition. So now add the values. 3.33 plus 8 is equals to 11.33, or you can write it down in mixed fraction, 11 1 by 3. This is the final value. Addition is the final operation left to perform. So now according to this expression, by systematically peeling away the layer of brackets and following the hierarchy of operations, the simplified result is 11.33 rounded to the 2 decimal places, or the fraction is 34 upon 3. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.